Hello students, welcome to Kiran coaching classes. Today we'll learn conservation of angular momentum. You have studied the conservation of linear momentum. What is the conservation of linear momentum? When no external unbalanced force act on interacting objects, then the total momentum remains constant. This is the conservation of a linear momentum. एक्सटर्नल फोर्स जर ऍक्ट होत नसेल इंटरॅक्टिंग ऑब्जेक्टवरती किंवा कोलायडिंग ऑब्जेक्ट आहे दॅट सिस्टीमवरती एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ऍक्ट होत नसेल तर टोटल मोमेंटम मीन्स टोटल इनिशियल मोमेंटम and total final momentum of that system remains constant. This is the law of conservation of linear momentum. Linear momentum means P in a translational motion and no external force act, that is force for a translational motion. For rotational motion, analogous quantity of linear momentum is angular momentum, analogous quantity, and analogous quantity of force in rotational motion is a torque. We have to see the conservation of angular momentum. Here the linear momentum, it is equal to I into omega, moment of inertia into its angular speed. We have to see that. Also in case of a, that is the here L bar, it is equal to R bar cross P bar, where R bar is a position vector drawn from the axis of rotation, and P bar is a linear momentum. Here L bar it is equal to R bar cross P bar. We take this relation as L bar equal to R bar cross P bar, taking its derivative with respect to time, differentiating with respect to time. With respect to time, we get dl bar by dt. It is equal to d by dt of R bar cross P bar. Taking derivative, we can write as a dr bar by dt cross P bar plus R bar cross dp bar by dt. We can write this as. Therefore, here but dr bar by dt, it is equal to v bar, and dp bar by dt, rate of change of momentum with the time, it is equal to, that is the force, proportional to the force by Newton's second law of motion, and P bar equal to m into V bar. Putting these values in this equation, we get, suppose this is the equation 1, dl bar by dt it is equal to kind dr bar by dt cross P bar plus R bar cross dp bar by dt. Therefore, equation 1 becomes as dl bar by dt, it is equal to V bar cross m into V bar plus R bar cross F bar. Therefore, we can write as a m into V bar cross V bar plus R bar cross F bar. This is a dl bar by dt. But cross product with itself it is equal to 0. But V bar cross V bar it is equal to 0. And R bar cross F bar it is equal to torque. Therefore, we can write as a here dl bar by dt it is equal to here 0 plus a torque. If external torque is absent, in the absence of external torque, that is torque is 0, it is equal to 0. And therefore, this equation becomes as dl bar by dt, it is equal to 0. Therefore, here derivative of that is L bar with respect to time it is equal to 0 and derivative of constant is 0. That is, this shows that here L bar equal to constant. L काय constant आहे. That is, the angular momentum remains constant when no external torque acting on the system. And therefore, here when external torque is absent, then the angular momentum of a system remains constant. That is, total initial angular momentum and total final angular momentum remains constant. This is the conservation of angular momentum. If external torque is absent or if there is no external torque acting on a rotating object, then their total angular momentum remains constant. This is the conservation of angular momentum. मग हे पाहिलं आपण याचे एक्झाम्पल्स म्हणजे अँग्युलर मोमेंटमचे बॅलट डान्सर, हाय बॅलट डान्सर्स, डायव्हर्स आहे, स्विमिंग, ही डाईव्ह आहे, स्विमर ड्रायव्हर्स आहे, नंतर हिअर आईस स्केटर्स. These are the examples of a conservation of a angular momentum. In initial case, suppose their angular velocity is omega. Omega 1 is angular velocity as L equal to I into omega. Suppose I1 is the moment of inertia in initial case and omega 1 is its angular speed. Then here L1 equal to I1 omega. In lateral case, that is the angular momentum, suppose L2 and I2 into काय omega 2. Lateral case, angular speed is omega 2 and moment of inertia is I2. By law of conservation of angular momentum, L1 equal to L2. That is, we can write as a I1 omega 1 it is equal to I2 omega 2. We can write this as a. Here also, we can also write as a I into 2 pi n. N is the frequency of rotation. Omega is the angular speed. When that is the moment of inertia increases, then angular speed decreases to remain the constant. Angular speed decreases. When moment of inertia increases, angular speed decreases, and when moment of inertia decreases, then angular speed increases. Angular speed increases means frequency of rotation increases. म्हणजे I व्हॅल्यू मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इन्क्रीज झालं तर अँग्युलर स्पीड काय होईल डिक्रीज होईल. दॅट इज फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ रोटेशन डिक्रीज होईल. And when moment of inertia decreases, then angular speed increases and hence frequency of rotation increases. Example म्हणजे ice ballet dancers. When that ballet dancers here ice ballet, the dancers have to undertake rounds of smaller and larger radii. When they come together and make the smaller round of that is smaller round about the close to the center, that is radius is minimum. In this case, their moment of inertia minimum, and their angular speed is maximum. Angular speed maximum means frequency of rotation is maximum. Hence, it becomes to thrilling. And also when they take the larger round, and outstretch the arm and limb. In that case, moment of inertia is larger. Hence, their angular speed becomes minimum, and frequency also becomes minimum. Here for the larger round, moment of inertia maximum and angular speed becomes minimum. That is frequency of rotation becomes minimum, and therefore here they cannot slip. Ballet dancer use this, that is the conservation of a angular momentum. Also here second example is diving in a swimming pool. Divers, when he on the that is the diving board, he stretch, that is when he jump from the diving board, he stretch his body so that its moment of inertia is greater and its angular speed is minimum. Then after, here he close his foot and arms to near its body. Then in that case, moment of inertia becomes minimum and angular speed becomes maximum. Here frequency of rotation, that is frequency of rotation increases. Here therefore he takes the more rounds in a air, and as soon as he here reach to the water surface, then he stretch his body to increase the moment of inertia. मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इंक्रीज करण्यासाठी परत स्ट्रेच बॉडी केली जाते, आणि त्या बॉडी स्ट्रेच केल्यामुळे यमा इंक्रीज होणार, आणि हियर ही रिड्यूस द दॅट इज एंटरिंग द वॉटर. इन दॅट केस व्हेन एंटरिंग द वॉटर he can enter the water smoothly by increasing the moment of inertia. These are the examples of a conservation of angular momentum. When spinner, that is they outstretch their arms and legs, in that case yama increases and angular speed decreases. Hence frequency of rotation outstretch म्हणजे yama काय increase होईल, decrease होईल. And when they take their arm and limb close to their body, in that case yama decreases and angular speed increases and frequency of rotation increases. Here they make the more rounds around themselves. These are the examples of a conservation of angular momentum. आणि आता आपण सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल पाहू. आता आपण सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल 1.8 पाहू. A spherical water balloon is revolving at 60 revolution per minute. In the course of time, 48.8% of its water leaks out. With what frequency will the remaining balloon revolve now? Neglect all non-conservative forces. All non-conservative forces neglect करायचे, बाकीचे फोर्सेस. तर आपल्याला काय दिलेलं आहे, 60 रिव्होल्यूशन पर मिनिट असं रिव्हॉल्व होत आहे स्पेरिकल बलून. तर म्हणजे इनिशियल फ्रिक्वेन्सी दिलेली n1, ती किती दिलेली आहे 60 रिव्होल्यूशन पर मिनिट. तर आपल्याला रिव्होल्यूशन पर सेकंड मध्ये कन्वर्ट करावं लागेल, 60 ने डिवाइड करावं लागेल. इट इज इक्वल टू 1 रिव्होल्यूशन पर सेकंड. एवढे काय आहे, फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे इनिशियल आणि आपल्याला लॅटरल केसमधील फ्रिक्वेन्सी फाइंड आउट करायची. तर आता यातलं काय आहे, मासचा रेशो. दोन्ही केसेसमध्ये मासचा रेशो, सुरुवातीचा मास m1 आणि नंतरचा मास किती m2 घेता येईल. हा रेशो आणि जे काय व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉटर आहे त्याच्या रेशोची कसं येणार आहे, इक्वल येणार. म्हणजे इक्वल टू v1/v2 आणि इट इज इक्वल टू स्पेरिकल बलून आहे, स्पिअरचा फॉर्म्युला व्हॉल्यूमचा 4/3 पाय r1 अपॉन 4/3 पाय r2 and therefore 4/3 pi get cancelled. We get r1 upon r2 bracket q. m1 upon m2 equal to r1 upon r2 bracket q. Putting value of m1 and m2. Therefore m1 is 100. m2 100 minus 48.8% water lose झालेले आहे. 100 minus 48.8. It is equal to r1 upon r2 bracket cube. Therefore 100 upon here 2.15 51.2 आणि equal to r1 upon r2 bracket cube. We can write as a 1 upon 0.512 equal to r1 upon r2 bracket cube. Taking cube root, we get here r1 upon r2. It is equal to 1 upon 0.512 raised to 1/3 cube root घेतला दोन्ही साइडचा. Therefore r1 upon r2 it is equal to 1 upon 0.8. It is equal to 10 upon 8 and it is equal to 1.2 then 5 1.25. This is the r1 upon r2. r1 upon r2 means cube root of m1 upon m2. Therefore we can write as a here cube root of m1 upon m2. It is equal to 1.25. एवढे इक्वेशन मिळालं आपल्याला. Now I1 have for sphere, for spherical body है I equal to 2/5 mr square. Therefore I1 equal to 2/5 m1 r1 square and I2 equal to 2/5 m2 r2 square. Therefore I1 upon I2 2/5 get cancelled. m1 upon m2 into r1 upon r2 bracket square. Putting value of r1 upon r2, it is equal to m1 upon m2 bracket raised to 1/3. We get m1 upon m2 raised to 1 into m1 upon m2 raised to 1/3 and into bracket raised to 2. We can write as a here m1 upon m2 into m1 upon m2 bracket raised to 2/3. We write as a it is equal to m1 upon m2 bracket raised to 5/3. Therefore I1 upon I2. Therefore I1 upon I2 it is equal to m1 upon m2 total power it is equal to 5/3. m1 upon m2 bracket raised to 5/3, that is m1 upon m2 bracket raised to 1/3 and bracket raised to 5. We can write this as m1 upon m2 bracket raised to 1 by 3, it is equal to 1.25. 1.25 bracket raised to 5. This is the I1 upon I2. Here, by conservation of angular momentum, conservation of angular momentum, conservation of angular momentum, here I1 omega 1 equal to I2 omega 2. Therefore, I1 upon I2, we calculate this. It is equal to omega 2 upon omega 1. Putting omega equal to 2 pi n, we can write as a, this is equal to 2 pi n2 upon 2 pi n1. 2 pi get cancelled. Putting value of I1 upon I2 equal to 1.25. 1.25 bracket raised to 5 equal to n2 upon n1 value 1 revolution per second. Therefore, n2 equal to it is equal to 1.25 bracket raised to 5, and this is equal to here 3.052 revolution per second. This is the frequency in lateral case. हे एक्झाम्पल 1.8 आहे आणि एक्झाम्पल 1.9 आहे ते आपण नंतर पाहू.